Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the snipping tool on a Windows computer. First, click the Start button and open Settings. In Settings, click Apps. Next, click Installed Apps. In the search box, type Snipping Tool. When Snipping Tool appears, click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you find the Reset section. First, click Repair. This will try to fix the app without deleting its data. If the snipping tool is still not working, click Reset. A confirmation message will appear. Click Reset again. Windows will reset the snipping tool and restore it to its default settings. Wait a few seconds for the process to finish. Once it is completed, close the Settings window. Now open the snipping tool from the Start menu and check if it is working properly. If the problem continues, restart your computer and try opening the app again. That's how you can reset the snipping tool on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials.